Hey sister friends, it's Casharee and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about health and wellness. So if you are familiar with my channel or even familiar with my Instagram, you may already know that I am vegetarian. I've been vegetarian for almost 5 years now. So I really like to be health conscious and just live a healthy lifestyle for the most part because of course, health is wealth, right? So today's video is I partner with one of my favorite wellness brands, that is Teami Blends. They sent me over their wellness protein powder. I got the flavor rich chocolate, and let me just tell y'all, I have been loving this protein powder. It is 100% healthy. I'm talking about 100% plant-based, 100% organic, no dairy, no soy, non-GMO, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors, no artificial sweeteners. So all healthy, and it actually tastes good, y'all. I have what my favorite go-to smoothie is. Let me just tell y'all. So I like to use this smoothie, the chocolate protein powder, and I create my favorite go-to smoothie. So I use the powder and I add a banana, cinnamon, peanut butter, ice, and water. Put that all in a blender to create my go-to. It's like a chocolate peanut butter smoothie. So if you are a chocolate and peanut butter lover like me, definitely try this recipe out, y'all. I promise you, you are going to love it if you love chocolate as much as I do. It tastes like a chocolate peanut butter milkshake or something. Like, it tastes like you're drinking something unhealthy, but you're really drinking something like 100% good for you. So it actually, feels good. It's something that actually tastes good, but it's also good for you. Not a lot of stuff is like that. So yeah, I'm gonna list that whole recipe down below, what I do, in case you want to try it out. And if you do try it out, drop a comment down below and let me know if you like it, because let me just tell you, like, I don't get tired of that shake. I work out between 3 to 4 times a week typically, and that is my post-workout smoothie that I drink like 3 to 4 times a week, so, and I never switch it up with anything. Like, I use this protein powder and I love it each and every time. So yeah, definitely check out Teami Blends. Not only do they have this wellness powder, they also have a whole bunch of other wellness products. Like, you've seen them on my channel previously, because it's actually a brand that I actually support and love, not just because they sponsor a video, because although today's video is sponsored, let me just tell y'all something so you know it's real. When I run out of my Teami products, I use my own money to buy whatever I just ran out of, because I like it that much. So I'm not just hyping them up because they sponsored a video. No, they really do have good products, and this protein powder really does taste good. Okay, I just wanted to let y'all know, because of course a lot of times people will hype up products just because it's sponsored, but no, I'm messing with Teami Blends because they actually have really good products, and they have so many other products on their website that are all 100% healthy, non-GMO, like 100% good for you. So definitely go check them out if you are on your wellness journey like I am, or if you are just trying to jumpstart your wellness journey. Go check them out and use the code 1cash20 at checkout and receive 20% off your entire order, y'all. Yes, definitely let me know what y'all think about when you try this smoothie out. Let me know if you love it as much as I do, and I will see y'all in the next video.